just to kind of recap, we're saying, that's not why you should do estate planning. That shouldn't be the point. Point should be we're hanging on to your stuff for you, right? And then there should be follow through, and that's what we're doing now with well, we've always done it, but we're doing it now in a group setting with the we call it the Red Wagon Club. It's a way to make sure that as you go through life, that everything that you need gets done at a much lower cost, simply because we're doing it in a group. All right. Now, not everything in a group. Obviously, there's confidentiality and there's individual stuff, and that's built into the mix. But if you'd like to come to a free 3 Secrets workshop, very easy to do. Give us a call at the office, 616-361-8400. All right, just give us a call, and 616-361-8400 for the 3 Secrets near you. And we've got them in all our offices. We're actually next month we'll be in Lansing as well, and be expanding over to Ann Arbor. Just that we get the more we get it done, the more people want it. So, okay, fine. We're happy to comply. Happy to help out. But that's the key, really. Okay, with this stuff, play by the rules. Oh, fundamental. Always got to play by the rules.